I might know why there's a snowstorm coming on Sunday. Cause, holy, my backyard. And you see this carpet here? It has been outside for the whole day. This ain't a carpet anymore. It's just a solid piece of something that's got frozen. Anything could freeze, guys. Don't go outside tomorrow. It's gonna be cold. Whew. But I figured if I put... Hold on, wait. So, yeah, just don't go outside tomorrow. I'm going to go outside tomorrow if I have like a lot of warm stuff. Cause like, uh-oh, I think the snowstorm, like, as you could see, I'm gonna step on it, hear this amazing crunch. Go back in. Peace, guys.